What's up everyone, I'm Subayal, and in this video we will be doing a cryptocurrency market update. So we have seen Cardano ADA shooting over $1.40 in price and then seeing a correction to consolidate at around $1.20. So the Coinbase Pro listing pumped the price suddenly and then profits were taken. So we have a lot of bullish sentiment fueled by bullish news, and we will see a surge in the overall market cap of cryptocurrencies in the coming months as the bull run continues. So before we proceed, I will appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already, and hit the bell button if you want to be notified when we release new videos. Alright, so as far as the markets are concerned, they are looking good. Bitcoin went over 61.5 thousand US dollars and then corrected back to 58,000 US dollars. But this is normal. There is a psychological resistance at 62,000 US dollars level, and once we go above that with solid volume underpinned by some bullish news like Apple or Samsung buying cryptos, we will shatter this ceiling and make another leg up. So of course we are in a bull market, and we will remain in a bull market unless things become boring and bullish news are exhausted and become overly homogeneous, and unless people think of crypto market like an ATM machine where they inject money and 5 or 10 times of the money which they injected into that comes out. So until and unless that happens, we will continue the upward momentum and the total market cap of cryptocurrencies will keep on rising. So most of the cryptos in top 100 have moved up or down by less than 5% in past 24 hours. A mix of red and green, which shows a bit of indecisiveness and a bit of trust by token and coin holders with the belief that the market will continue moving up. So we have to remember that there are different types of market participants, and the savvy traders are one of them, who make money irrespective of the direction in which a market moves. And as far as some long-term investors and companies are concerned, they hold in long term and sell when the market is really euphoric. So looking at the motivations of different types of market participants, we can see the effects, meaning diminishing supply of Ethereum and Bitcoin. So the most prominent actors in this bull run so far are number 1 institutions, number 2 companies, and number 3 the long-term holders or whales. And we have not yet made it to the final euphoria, which is primarily shaped by the retail investors. So this bull run is different from the previous bull run. The diminishing supply of Ethereum and Bitcoin, which increases price, further brings in new institutional investors, as we have seen in the news again and again, which further creates new news that are read by the retail investors and institutional investors alike, who again buy cryptocurrencies and reduce the supply further, and the bull run continues on. It will continue as long as things become boring and all new news are similar, and institutions and companies who have to show profitability in fiat currencies like US dollars, euros, or Great British pounds to their investors and shareholders think that their patience and dollar cost averaging in severe depressing and unhappy bear market has paid off. So one by one they will start selling or distributing their cryptocurrencies, which will cause an avalanche of sell pressure eventually, and the bear will jump out of the window. It happens each time, and it will happen this time also without the shadow of a doubt. So currently I'm closely following ADA, I'm closely following Litecoin also. Furthermore, I'm also following 1inch and also Digitex Futures, which is the first zero fee futures exchange. So basically their launch has been delayed a few times, which made people extremely scared and unhappy, but I think they will release their platform soon. Surely it is a very high risk and a very high reward play. So please do your own due diligence before investing in Digitex. Also, as far as the NFTs are concerned, I am bullish on Engine Coin, but as we can see that it has risen in price tremendously in the past 8 weeks. So entering now could be disastrous. So definitely I will wait for correction and I will slowly dollar cost average. Because even though the project is really good and it has a long-term potential, but catching a rocket which has left the launching pad can be a trip to the wrecked city. So I will avoid it. Also COTI, shopping.io and Polygon are worth keeping an eye on due to great teams and value proposition. I covered these projects in past 2 weeks, but they needed a mention here so that you can accumulate if you think that it is a good risk versus reward play for you. So fundamentals are awesome, but the price and fundamentals don't always correlate in the cryptocurrency market, as we know. So look at sentiment, go to their Telegram channels, look for the upcoming news and preempt the crowd so that you can sell the news for more profit, or else swing trade using Fibonacci retracement and other indicators. So looking at the previous bull run, we know that the market cap increased by 8 times from the beginning of 2017 to the mid of 2017. Then we had a correction and then the upward momentum started again. So the market cap went to around 800 billion US dollars from around 100 billion dollars over here. So I think we are over here in this bull run now. So I think that we are yet to see a massive 7x or 8x growth in the overall market cap of cryptocurrencies in this bull run. And also many good altcoins like Litecoin and Icon, which have solid fundamentals, have not yet crossed their all-time highs which they made in the previous bull run. And we know that many retail traders are waiting to get into centralized exchanges, and also the volumes in the decentralized exchanges is increasing enormously. And that shows a lot. So who do you think is more concerned about gas fee on Uniswap? And also, who do you think is interested in buying very low cap coins? Of course, retail investors. So the last phase of the bull market has not yet started in this bull run, which is primarily driven by the retail demand due to the involvement of the retail investors. So as the Ethereum gas fee problem is solved and Uniswap version 3 is released, we will see the retail floodgates opening and taking the overall capitalization of the cryptocurrency market to stratosphere. Also products like ETPs, exchange traded products, as I explained in one of my videos, where I talked about a Polkadot ETP released by a Swiss firm, and ETFs, exchange traded funds, which give access to retail investors to invest in the cryptocurrency markets, will further increase the involvement of the retail investors. So I'm really bullish on Uniswap and 1inch, since both of them will be used extensively in the second phase of the bull market. So many low cap tokens are on Uniswap only, and 1inch has a unique use case, as I explained in my previous videos. So do keep an eye on both these tokens, since as the market cap increases, their price will also grow, which will give us very good returns. So here are the different DeFi projects listed on CoinMarketCap. So as we know that Uniswap and 1inch are also in the DeFi domain, but the other DeFi projects that I'm interested in are Orion Protocol, Refinance and Swissborg, which you can find in this list. So Refinance is a little risky at this point, while Swissborg has simply exploded in price. So if Swissborg does not undergo a good healthy correction, and if I don't find good entry points for the other DeFi projects that I just mentioned, I will do my research and find other DeFi projects and also share them with you. But these projects are worth keeping an eye on, since they have outstanding fundamentals and can be seen as good long-term holds. And as far as the blockchain 3.0 platforms are concerned, I am delighted to state that our research paid off, and Cardia Chain, which is an under the radar gem that we covered 2 months back, has given my viewers and subscribers over 6x returns already, if they got the chance to watch my video in time. So we covered the video around here when Cardia Chain was around 2.7 cents, and recently it went over 13 cents, and it had a minor correction recently. And this is the beauty of the community that we are developing around this YouTube channel, because this project was mentioned by one of my viewers and I'm really grateful to him for that. And after that I started to do my research and we did a video in which we covered each and every key aspect of Cardia chain. And as you can see, at that time, 2 months back, I only had around 200 subscribers, and this video got over 2000 views. So it contributed to the growth of my channel too, and I'm really grateful to my viewers and subscribers who have supported me. Thank you very much. So back then in February, most of the influencers, they were simply not talking about that. And this is one thing which I always say, always preempt the market, always be ahead of the crowd, and never catch the falling knives, and at the same time don't catch a rocket which has left the launching pad, because both are trips to wrecked city. So that is it for today's crypto market update. I hope that you found it useful. So I will be grateful if you kindly support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means world to me. And you can support this channel in a few seconds by liking the video, commenting below, subscribing and sharing this video on social media. So this will help my channel grow, and I will be really grateful for that. And I will keep on working hard to provide you with excellent content like this in the future. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.